The rounded rectangle case is nicely angular, but has no sharp corners. I like how the case incorporates the lugs, which is very 1970s. The case and bracelet strike a balance between brushed and mirrored surfaces, consistently alternating the brushed, mirrored theme with each dividing bevel of the body, and more subtly on the bracelet, with the inner links and the sides being mirrored, and the outer links and Seiko-branded clasp brushed. This watch has a screw-on display back, giving you a view of Seiko's Malaysia-made 7S26 movement. When fully wound, this 21-jewel watch has a power reserve of approximately 41 hours and is water-resistant to 5 bar or 50 feet.